Hey guys, it's Technology Nerd, and today we'll be doing a review of the Samsung Chromebook. I recently did a review of the Acer Chromebook, the C7. Majorly the difference between the two is that this one has a 16 gigabyte SSD, so it boots faster, it runs faster in general, and it has a USB 3.0 port right here. I'm just going to go around and first talk about what it has and what it doesn't have. So it has a USB 2. There's less USB ports than the other. Actually, no, there's the same amount, but one's a USB 3 and one's a USB 2. There's an HDMI port. There is no VGA port. There is a power port. That's where the power goes in. On this side, we just have a headphone jack and an SD card. You just slide it in right there. There's no Ethernet port for this one either, which is kind of surprising because this is the more expensive model of the Chromebook. This goes for about $250 on, so I'm just gonna... So it might look like metal to you or aluminum, but it's actually plastic. As you can see, this is all plastic, except for maybe this Chrome logo over here. That might not be plastic, that actually might be metal. So I'm just gonna show you how fast this boots up now. This does boot up faster than the Acer one. And pretty much, guys, it's going to be a pretty quick review video because if you wanna go over OS, you can go over to the Acer review video, and it's pretty much the same thing. I'm just going to try to keep it short. So this over here does not have an Intel processor. This laptop right here. This is actually run on ARM. It's kind of like a tablet, more like pretty much. There's no Intel processor. It's 16 gig SSD. Same screen size, 11.6 inch. We have a HD webcam like the other one. But as you can see, a while ago this booted up. So just to prove one thing, that if I leave the other laptop, as you can actually already see, the wallpaper is the same as my other Acer Chromebook. So everything just gets moved, and that's a nice thing about this, you know, these Chromebooks, that everything just is on the cloud. The keyboard is the same. The chiclet keyboard, if you want to take a look at that. It's a very nice keyboard. I personally like these type of keyboards. This Chromebook kind of reminds me of the MacBook Air. When you look at it from the inside, it's so thin. I don't have the exact specs of how thin it is, though. You should see it in my written review. I'll tell you the exact thinness. But it is thinner than the Acer Chromebook. That I can tell you. So if the Acer Chromebook was 1 inch thick, this one has to be maybe 0.8 inches. Trackpad is the same size. It's probably an inch. Maybe it's the same size. I might be just miscalculating here. This Chromebook weighs lighter than that one. This one weighs about 2.5 pounds. So the other one goes in at 3 pounds. And you know, it looks pretty nice. It's a pretty nice looking laptop. One major difference, actually, now that I saw it, this does not have a replaceable battery. The battery is screwed in. So if you want to replace the battery, that's kind of an issue, and that's a problem with me. So this is one of my major issues, that there's no removable battery. Unlike the Acer, where the battery does come out with just a pin sticking in there. This one you have to open it up, which I'm assuming voids warranty. So I will actually find out if that voids warranty. I'm pretty sure if the battery is built in. To have a laptop this small, probably is built in. Something like the MacBook Air, which the battery is built in. So guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the Acer video if you want to find out more on Chrome OS. That pretty much, I go through a rundown of Chrome OS in that video. This is just a review of this laptop. We'll be doing a comparison video between the two. Which one boots faster, all that kind of fun stuff. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you later.